The foresight.
Kiroto kia arumiriri a Jubilee gia kugea na kiama kieru kiria maroiga kire na hinya nege kinyu. Na riu kiama kiu kiahota kurugorio mweri-ini wa kenda thutha wa kamiti iria irathurimaga uria ciama iria iranyita mbaru thirikari inginyitana kunengera President Kenyatta na munini wake William Ruto mendekithia magukinyaniria mutaratara ucio.
We will now put together the team that will start to roll out the plan, so that, again, as our co-chairs have said, when we roll it out, we shall roll it out truly as a national party.
I was wondering how URP was going to sit down and say, we are going to dissolve, or TNA for that matter, or New Fort Kenya. Every Kenyan truly believes in this mission, Mr. President, you're engaged in. Every Kenyan believes that we should be together.
Kenyatta na Ruto makuhuthira kiama kiu kung'ethanira na mung'ethaniro githurano-ini kia mwaka ukite. Riu ciama iria irenda kunyitanira rungu rwa Jubilee ifatie gucemania niguo cihitukie mendekithia macio. President na munini wake magutongoria kiama kiu o kwa ihinda.
And all we need now is to remain focused and to roll out this party nationwide, covering every corner of Kenya.
Udumwe uria urarehaga thina ni uria aria marenda iturwa na tigiti wa Jubilee magathurwo na riu mugaru na hau kabere gutire mundu ukugitirwo kiama-ini kingi kirurungu rwa Jubilee. Tigiti uri koragwo uri umwe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, jitagwo Macharia wa Mugo.
Asante sana.